Ganga River System. The Ganga River System includes the Ganga and its tributaries, which are the Yamuna, the Gomti, the Ghagra, the Gandak, the Ramganga, the Mahaganga, the Kosi, etc. All these rivers originate in the Himalayas and are perennial. About Ganga River. Course of Ganga River. The Ganga River rises in Gangotri Glacier near Gomukh in Garhwal Himalayas in Uttarakhand at an altitude of 3,900 meter as Bhagirathi. The river acquires its name after its headstream Alaknanda and Bhagirathi unit at Devprayag. Alaknanda rises from Satopant and Bhagirath Khadak glaciers near Manan, then joined by following: first, Dholi Ganga at Joshimat or Vishnuprayag; second, Birahi Ganga at Birahi; third, Nandakini at Nandprayag; fourth, Pindar River at Karanprayag; and fifth, Mandakini River at Rudraprayag before joining Bhagirathi at Devprayag. River Ganga is joined by a number of tributaries, both coming from Himalayas and from peninsular plateau before joining Brahmaputra to form Meghna and then falling into Bay of Bengal. Important tributaries of Ganga River. Yamuna. Yamuna River is a right bank tributary of Ganga and rises from Yamunotri Glacier at 6,316 meter on Bandarpunch range. It joins the Ganga at Prayagraj. The total basin area of Yamuna is shared by Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Delhi. All the tributaries of Yamuna River are right bank tributaries such as Damini, Tons and Giri River. The only left bank tributary of Yamuna is Hindon River, which joins near Ghaziabad. Other important right bank tributaries of Yamuna include: first, Utangan River. It emerges near Karoli in Rajasthan and meets Yamuna near Firozabad. Second, Chambal. It rises near Mao in Malwa Plateau of Madhya Pradesh and flows towards the north, generally in George up to Kota. The Chambal is notorious for its bad land topography called ravines. It has numbers of tributaries joining it from Aravali Range, Vidyavan Range and Malwa Plateau, which includes Shipra River, Kale Sindh River, Parbati River, Mez River, East Banas River, Kuno River. Another important right bank tributary of Yamuna River is Sindh River. It emerges from Malwa Plateau near Guna and joins Yamuna near Aurya. Next is Betwa River. It emerges from Vindhyan Range near Bhopal and joins Yamuna near Hamirpur. Ken River. It emerges from Bundelkhand Plateau and joins Yamuna in Chila Ghat in Banda district. Ramganga River. Ramganga River is comparatively a small river rising in Kumaon Hills. It cuts through the Shivalik before reaching the Ganga plain. Gomti River. Gomti River originates from Gomti Tal at Pilibhit in UP. It emerges into Ganga River in Ghazipur. At the Sangam, the famous Markandeya Mahadev temple is situated. Ghagra River. It originates beyond Greater Himalayas, south of Mansarovar Lake, hence is of trans-Himalayan origin, and crosses the western part of the Nepal Himalayas through deep and narrow gorges. It joins the Ganga near Chhapra before being joined by a number of tributaries in Indo-Gangetic plain like Sharda, Babai and Rapti. Gandak River. It rises near Sino-Nepal boundary and drains the central part of Nepal. It is known as Narayani before entering in India. After entering West Champaran district of Bihar, it turns to the southeast and joins the left bank of the Ganga near Sonepur. Budi Gandak. It originates from West Champaran district of Bihar. It flows parallel to the east of Gandak river in an old channel and joins river Ganga near Khagadia in Bihar. Kosi River. Its source lies to the north of Mount Everest in Tibet, where its main stream, Arun Kosi, rises. Mahananda River. Mahananda River is last left bank tributary of the Ganga. It rises in the Darjeeling Hills and joins river Ganga on the left bank in Malda district, where it is known as Fulhar River. Tamsa River. It emerges from Baghelkhand Hills near Satna. It joins Ganga from right bank in Prayagraj district. Karmnasha River. It emerges from Kaimur Hills and forms boundary between Bihar and Uttar Pradesh states before joining river Ganga from right bank in Buxar district. Son River. It originates from Amarkantak Plateau. It emerges into the Ganga from right bank in Patna. Almost all of its tributaries join it on its right bank except Johila and Mahanandi River. The right bank tributaries of river Son include Banas, Gopad, Rihan, Kanhar, North Koyal River. Punpun River. It emerges from Hazaribagh Plateau and flows northwards to meet river Ganga near Fatuha, Patna. Falgu River. Falgu River emerges from Hazaribagh Plateau and flows northwards to meet river Ganga near Mukama. Kyul River. Kyul River emerges from Jamui Hills and flows northwards to meet river Ganga near Lakshyasarai at Kyul. Chandan River. Chandan River emerges near Diogar from Rajmahal Hills and flows northwards to meet river Ganga near Kehelgaon. Hooghly River. Hooghly River is actually a distributary of river Ganga which splits away from main course of river Ganga near Farakka. Hooghly River then remains in West Bengal state of India while river Ganga enters Bangladesh. It is joined by a number of rivers and finally it falls into Bay of Bengal. Right bank tributaries of Hooghly River. First, Murakshi River. It emerges near Diogar from Rajmahal Hills and flows southeastwards to meet river Hooghly near Plasi in West Bengal. Ajay River. It emerges near Diogar from Rajmahal Hills. Damodar River. It emerges from Palamau district of Jharkhand in Chota Nagpur Plateau and flows in a rift valley. The left bank tributaries of river Damodar include Bakora River, Konar River, Barakar River. The right bank tributaries of river Damodar include Garga River, Dwarkeshwar River and Kangsabati River.